We are Cara Future Energy Systems, a Dutch family-run company established in 1910. We are specialized in manufacturing custom-made industrial biomass combustion plants for city heating and for industrial process heating. We are proudly CO2 neutral. We play a vital role in the energy transition by delivering net zero heating solutions. For our expansion, we are seeking for bilingual agents, familiar with industry, city heating, and with connections to your local government. Our ideal agents have technical expertise and knowledge of the local biomass combustion regulations, is proficient in English, because that's essential for our communication and for the effective document handling. As a Cara agent, you will receive comprehensive support in sales and marketing and technical knowledge. We provide resources, you have direct contact to our sales team and our technical team, and we will give you opportunities for successful business. Representing the Cara brand means making a meaningful impact on the energy transition and being rewarded for your contributions. Interested in making a difference and be the local agent for the Cara family? Contact us to start building a sustainable future together.